When working with worktops, you actually have several different options, depending on what you want to achieve. One way is to start by creating freeboards that cover all the elements and then make the necessary cuts yourself. This gives you a lot of flexibility. For example, if you just need a simple square cut, the cutter tool is usually the easiest way to do it. If you want a circular opening, you can use the bool tool. And just so you know, the bool tool also works perfectly well for square cuts, so it's a versatile option to keep in mind. Another approach is to use predefined worktops that already come with various combinations of openings. This can save time, especially if the openings match what you need. But here's an important tip. If you want to make the predefined worktop longer, don't just change its dimensions because that will scale the openings too, and they'll become enlarged in a way we don't want. Instead, go into edit mode, select the face, and move it along the axis. That way the openings stay the correct size. Whichever approach you decide to use, you'll probably want to fine-tune the openings. To adjust them, go into edit mode and select all the vertices around the opening. Switching to X-ray mode makes it much easier to grab all of them at once. From there, you can move them along an axis by pressing G and then the axis key. You can also scale the opening using the S shortcut, or adjust one side only by switching to face mode, selecting the face and moving it along the axis with G. Instead of sliding with mouse, you can move by exact amount. For example, by pressing G, then axis X, then 150. This will move face for 150 millimeters along X-axis. So overall, you can either cut openings yourself or use predefined ones, and in both cases, you have a lot of control over how they look and where they're positioned.